Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 10, ICSE, CBSE and West Bengal Board also. Mensuration on conversion of solids, part 8. That means you have already got more lesson. You must go through that lesson. Now please pay your attention on the board. Before looking the board, একটা জিনিস আমি পরিষ্কার করে বলতে চাই, ভালো করে শোনো। অঙ্কটা দেখলে, ভিডিওটা দেখলে বুঝতে পারলে, কিন্তু সেটাই শেষ নয়। তোমাকে ওই অঙ্কটাই আর একবার খাতাতে না দেখে করতে হবে। শুধু করলেই হবে না, করার পর আনসারটা মিলিয়ে দেখতে হবে। এইভাবে যদি তুমি প্র্যাকটিস করো তাহলে অঙ্কে ফুল মার্কস পাওয়া তোমার পক্ষে খুব সহজ হয়ে যাবে। Please pay your attention on the board. Sums given from M.L. Agarwal's book exercise 17.5, sum number 14. A vessel in the form of an inverted cone is filled with water to the brim. Its height is 20 centimeter and diameter is 16.8 centimeter. You have to read the sum thoroughly. Then what are given, যেগুলো দেওয়া আছে সেগুলো লিখে নিতে হবে। Here the height of the cone, that is 20 centimeter small h, and the diameter 16.8 centimeter. Therefore the radius 16.8 by 2, that is 8.4 centimeters smaller. What is required? That is two equal solid cones are dropped in it so that they are fully submerged. As a result, 1/3 of the water in the original cone overflows. Therefore, the volume of the water in the cone, that is volume of the water, that is volume of the cone, that is 1/3 pi r square h. Therefore, the overflows water, overflows water, that is 1/3 of water in the original cone. Original cone, that is 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 of original, that is 1/3 of 1/3 pi r square h. After getting this, then we have to put the relevant values. That is value of pi, that is 22/7. Value of r, that is 8.4, and height 20. After putting, then you have to simplify. Simplification, you have liberty. I have followed the simplest method. You may follow this, or you may follow your own method. That is, in this way we are getting, that is 492.8 centimeter cube. This is the overflows water. That means volume of the two equal cones. Therefore, the volume of two equal solid cones equal to 492.8 centimeter cube. Therefore, the volume, that means what is the volume of each of the solid? Each of the solid, that is the volume of one, that means each of the solid cone equal to this divided by 2. By dividing, we are getting this. Therefore, the volume of the each solid cone is 246.4 centimeter cube. Answer completed. Next sum. Sum number 18. Same thing, what are given, that we have to write first. Here the radius of the sphere, that is 10.5 centimeter, and the radius of the small cones, that is 3.5 centimeter, and the height 3 centimeter. What is required? The number of cones. That is, calculate the number of cones thus obtained. A metallic sphere of radius this is melted and decast into small cone. That means volume of the original and volume of the small cones we have to first find out. Then volume of this sphere divided by volume of one cones, that is the number of cones. So after writing this volume, that is radius given 10.5 whole cube, and here radius is given 3.5 whole square, and height 3. After writing the relevant values, then we have to simplify. You have liberty, and you may follow this method 4 by 3 into 3 by 1 and 10.5. This is why this is 105 by 10, 105 by 10 cube. This is why cube. Same way we are breaking this 3.5, that is 35 by 10. After breaking we are simplifying. It is divide by into, it fraction will be changed. Then by cancellation it is coming 2 into 7 into 9 into 3, that is 126. Therefore the required number of small cone is 126. By looking the solution, easily you will understand what I told first. একবার বুঝে গেলেই কিন্তু অঙ্কটা মাথায় থাকবে না। এই অঙ্কটাই তুমি আর একবার খাতায় না দেখে করে নেবে। করলেই হবে না, তোমার ঠিক হয়েছে কিনা স্টেটমেন্টগুলো আর একবার মিলিয়ে দেখবে। এইভাবে যদি প্র্যাকটিস করে যাও তাহলে অঙ্কে ফুল মার্কস পাওয়াটা কোনো ব্যাপারই না। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিবডি।